Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to run diagnostics on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip. First of all, turn off your laptop completely, and after that, let's turn it back on by short pressing the power button. And after you press the power button, start repeatedly clicking escape button on your laptop, which is located in the top left corner of your keyboard. And once you are in the startup menu, what we want to do here is press the F2 button to go to System Diagnostics menu. So just press F2. Now in System Diagnostic menu, you can either navigate using your arrow keys to navigate between these options. Alternatively, you can oh no, this is the only way. Okay, so select what you want to test on your PC. It can be a processor, memory, storage, power, keyboard, language, or whatever. Just go with any option that you like here, and then to select an option, press enter. And for example, for the processor, we have two tests: the CPU stress tests and processor tests. So let's run the processor test. It will be pretty quick, should be. Okay, and so after a couple of seconds, we can see that the processor check was passed. We have the pass ID, the serial number here. So yeah, so we know for sure right now that everything went well. If your component doesn't pass the test, you will get the error ID. And you'll be able to enter this error ID by following this address you see right here to enter the official HP website. And after following this web address, you're gonna have to enter your error ID and also your product number, your laptop's product number, on this page, and see what you should do next according to HP support. To return back to the main menu, just press enter. To exit, either select exit or just press escape button and then press yes, and then we can basically return to Windows by pressing enter. Okay, and for some reason our device was locked by BitLocker. If this happened to you too, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to resolve this issue. It was not expected by me, but anyways, to find your recovery key to go through the to the BitLocker screen on your laptop, you're gonna have to open the search engine on any other device that you can use, and then start searching for the aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Find this, and enter this web address, then press enter. This is the official Microsoft website with the recovery keys. What we're gonna have to do next is enter our email or email for our Microsoft account. Then press enter, and after that, for some reason I made a mistake. Enter the backslash. Okay, and so right now we can either use our password to sign in, or we can send a code to the email and then enter the code that we received from an email on the following page. I'm gonna go with this option actually, because it will surely get us through. Entering the password might still require a key to be entered, or a code to be entered. So let me just check my email address and then enter the code that I received into this following field. Okay. And let me try again. Okay, so that was where I was redirected to this page anyways. So basically what we're gonna see here on this page is the BitLocker recovery keys. We have a table with 5 different columns in it. By the way, I didn't mention that you had to enter your the email address for your Microsoft account. I'm not sure if I mentioned that you have to use the Microsoft account that you have on your HP laptop in order to get your recovery key, but I hope that you figured it out anyways. And so in this table we have 5 different columns. The middle column is what interests us, so this is the recovery key. To find the recovery key for your laptop, you're gonna have to find the matching key ID, and the key ID is something that you can see on your laptop screen. So just search for the key ID in this column and find the matching one that matches the BitLocker key ID that you can see on your laptop screen, and then just enter the respective recovery key on your laptop. So as you can see, here is the key ID. We don't need the entire one. We just need the first part of it before the first dash. So 28 triple AE. I can already see this key ID on my other device's screen. So let me enter the matching recovery key into this field. And then just press enter to proceed to your system. So I'm not sure if you even had this problem, but if you did stumble upon this screen, then I'm happy to help you, and I hope that this video helped you, all of it. If it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.